66. However difficult the path, all rivers return to the sea, nourishing everything along the way. The low welcomes the high. Silence yields to sound. The wise leader listens to the waters, cultivating humility as the soil that receives the waters flowing from the source, as the ground upon which he builds his home, as the earth he tends in serving the community. He learns different paths by walking in the shoes of others. He inhabits the community. People can tell when shoes don't fit. To govern effectively, the wise leader draws people toward him through words they speak themselves, through actions they do themselves, through feelings they know themselves. No one contends with him because, like water, the wise leader engages the community as he would the Tao, by becoming one with the natural order and serving it. Like birds in formation, the wise leader ministers by following. With a clear view of what lies ahead, he directs without getting in the way. With a clear view of where they are, he chooses the path of service and follows natural order. Because the Tao yields boundless opportunities, the wise leader is never without ways to serve. To reveal the right path for the right time, he stops moving. He becomes still. He listens. Gravity, the Tao, and destiny express the 10,000 things. Everything adheres to natural order.